Buckle up, adrenaline junkies and thrill seekers. Today we're diving headfirst into the heart-pounding world of the most dangerous motorcycles ever built, where raw power and heart-stopping speed collide in a battle of wits between man and machine. Get ready to grip the edge of your seat as we unveil the untamed beasts that have earned spine-chilling nicknames and left their mark as legends of fear and fascination. Let's find out why all three of these bikes have the infamous nickname Widowmaker, and go on an electrifying journey that will have you on the edge of your helmet, craving more of the dark side of the motorcycle world. Are you ready to face the thrilling danger that awaits you? Let's rev it up and discover the captivating tales of the most dangerous motorcycles in history. Step into the world of vintage motorcycling, where the 1972 Kawasaki H2 Mach 4, known far and wide as the Widowmaker, reigns as the epitome of both awe and terror. In an era when speed was the reigning monarch of motorcycling, Kawasaki unleashed this three-cylinder, two-stroke monster that left its riders trembling with both excitement and fear. The H2 Mach 4 was a machine that defied conventions and pushed the boundaries of what was considered possible on two wheels. Its power-to-weight ratio was simply off the charts, granting it the ability to catapult from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a heart-stopping flash. For the riders brave enough to tame this untamed stallion, the adrenaline rush was nothing short of euphoric. However, such immense power came at a price, and it was a steep one. The H2 Mach 4's aggressive power delivery and minimal regard for traction made it a ferocious challenge to handle, especially for those less experienced in the saddle. This was no bike for the faint of heart or the untrained, as rumors of wild tales and cautionary stories spread like wildfire among the motorcycle community. The legend of the Widowmaker was born, a moniker that encapsulated the bike's treacherous nature. Kawasaki had created a beast that demanded the utmost skill, focus, and respect from its rider. Every twist of the throttle required precision and finesse, leaving little room for error. Riding the H2 Mach 4 was a high-stakes dance, a daredevil's performance where the reward was an electrifying rush of speed, and the punishment could be severe. For those intrepid souls who could master its ferocity, the H2 Mach 4 became an exhilarating ride, an experience like no other. It was a machine that demanded complete attention, providing a visceral connection between man and motorbike, where instinct and control melded into a harmonious symphony of speed. But for others, the Widowmaker proved to be a perilous machine, a challenge too great to tame. Its unapologetic power and fierce character overwhelmed some, making it a bike that required an unmatched level of skill and bravery to navigate safely. Today, the 1972 Kawasaki H2 Mach 4 stands as an icon of motorcycling history, a bike that remains etched in the collective memory of enthusiasts. It serves as a reminder that even the most thrilling rides can come with risks, and that mastering such mechanical beasts requires more than just a desire for speed. It demands a deep respect for the machine and a reverence for the art of riding. The legend of the Widowmaker lives on, a testament to the allure and dangers that await those who dare to ride on the edge of two-wheeled adventure. The Suzuki TL1000s, a bike that seemed to dance with danger and thrill-seeking riders alike. You see, the rear shock's damping action was a bit of a head-scratcher, as it relied on a mere teaspoon of oil forced through valves. And guess what? It didn't work out too well. The TL1000s's rear end developed a wild streak, leaving riders hanging on for dear life as they navigated its unpredictable moves. But wait, it gets even more heart-pounding. The TL1000s's raw power had a penchant for lifting that front wheel, sending adrenaline coursing through the veins of its daring riders. It was a daring dance, a high-stakes game where the line between control and chaos blurred with every twist of the throttle. And yes, scenic excursions were a somewhat common occurrence, adding an extra thrill to every ride. Now, if that wasn't enough, the TL1000s had a bit of a taste for chains and rear tires. Like a gourmet meal, it couldn't resist. You see, its high-performance nature had its trade-offs, affecting the bike's overall build quality. Rust issues, paint losing its battle, alloy discoloration. It was a bit of a drama queen. And let's not forget the temperamental electronics, including that finicky fuel injection, making life just a tad bit more exciting. But hey, despite its quirks and challenges, there was no shortage of brave souls willing to take on the TL1000s. Enthusiasts embraced its daring spirit, and you could find beautiful, modded versions of this two-wheeled daredevil on the market, waiting for the next rider to fall in love with its charm. Armed with a potent V-twin engine that developed a surge of torque, the TL1000s seemed poised to conquer the roads with its unbridled power. However, lurking beneath its muscular exterior was a hidden danger that earned it a reputation as a perilous ride. The TL1000s was also plagued by a design flaw in its rear suspension, which could lead to a terrifying phenomenon known as the TL1000s tank slapper. Under specific conditions, the bike's rear suspension would lose traction, causing an uncontrollable oscillation of the front wheel. The violent and unpredictable tank slapper could rapidly escalate, leading to a loss of control that endangered the rider and others in the vicinity. The intensity of this phenomenon cannot be underestimated. Experienced riders who were caught off guard by the tank slapper found themselves wrestling with the handlebars in a frantic attempt to regain stability. The combination of high speeds and the violent shake of the front wheel made it a heart-stopping moment that demanded lightning-fast reflexes to avert disaster. Suzuki took note of this critical flaw and made attempts to rectify it in later models. However, the early TL1000s had already earned its notorious reputation. The motorcycle world was awakened to the importance of meticulous engineering in the pursuit of high-performance machines. As a cautionary tale, the TL1000s serves as a stark reminder of how seemingly minor design flaws can have significant consequences. It underscores the importance of thorough testing, engineering refinement, and a commitment to rider safety in the world of high-octane performance motorcycles. Yet, despite its challenges, some riders found the thrill of mastering the TL1000s to be irresistible. With the right combination of skill, experience, and respect for its quirks, the TL1000s rewarded its daring riders with an exhilarating experience that few other bikes could match. Today, the legacy of the 1997 Suzuki TL1000s endures as a poignant reminder of the ongoing pursuit of perfection in the realm of high-performance motorcycles. It stands as a testament to the continuous evolution of engineering, safety standards, and the unwavering passion of motorcycling enthusiasts. With lessons learned and progress made, the TL1000s remains an essential chapter in the ever-evolving story of motorcycle design and performance. Meet the Suzuki Hayabusa GSX 1300R, a true racing legend that emerged before legal regulations constrained motorcycle companies from unleashing their full speed potential. In 1999, Suzuki birthed the Hayabusa, a machine that set the bar for speed and dominance. Capable of reaching a jaw-dropping 195 miles per hour straight from the dealer's lot, it became an icon of raw power and unparalleled velocity. While other bikes from the 1990s could rival the Hayabusa's top speed, this Suzuki model had something unique, characteristics that set it apart in the world of high-performance motorcycles. One notable aspect was its substantial weight, tipping the scales at nearly 475 pounds. Compared to its contemporaries, the Hayabusa was considerably heavier, and this mass was strategically centered low on the vehicle. Now, you might wonder how this heft could affect the ride. Well, when the Hayabusa wasn't roaring at incredible speeds, this weight distribution posed its own challenges. Maneuvering the bike at slower speeds required precision and expertise. The Hayabusa's low center of gravity made it somewhat challenging to turn, and if handled improperly, it could be prone to tipping over on its side. As exhilarating as it was on the open road, the Hayabusa demanded respect and skill from its riders, even during the more mundane moments of the ride. The thrill of unleashing its unrivaled speed came with the responsibility of mastering its unique handling characteristics. So there you have it, a spine-chilling glimpse into the world of the most dangerous motorcycles ever built. While dangerous, we can't deny that these bikes have left their mark as legends of fear and fascination. Riding these machines isn't just about pushing boundaries, it's about mastering the art of control, understanding the limits, and embracing the thrill with a keen sense of caution. Every twist of the throttle becomes a calculated dance, where skill and bravery meld to create an adrenaline-fueled symphony on two wheels. And just as these motorcycles command our attention, we must also heed the lessons they teach us about the importance of proper training, responsible riding, and unwavering respect for the machine's capabilities. So, whether you're a seasoned rider seeking the ultimate rush or an aspiring motorcyclist ready to conquer the road, let this journey serve as a reminder that with great power power comes great responsibility. Until then, remember, life is short. Ride more motorcycles.